Oh no. There's so many people. Okay, don't be nervous, Sperber. I came here to network. I have my little cheat sheet. Research, eye contact, listen, don't overstay your welcome, linger. There's no way I'm gonna screw this up. All right, let's see. Who did I research here? Ha, perfect. Jason.
Hi, Jason.
I know. Your wife's name is Sarah. You have 3 kids, originally from Nashville. How's it going?
Good. Have we met?
No, but I know where you live.
Really?
Yeah, you're in marketing, right?
Well,
Cool.
I'm gonna need that hand back. This is getting a little awkward.
Well, you know, it's, oh God, I'm losing him. Eye contact. Right. Well, you know, I just, know how important it is when networking to do your research on people and really understand,
Yeah, you did a great job of researching.
Thanks.
Little bit creepy, if I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, you might want to tone it down just a bit.
Listen. That's easy. I totally understand. And I'm listening.
Okay. Well, Cody, I wish
Intently.
Great, that's great. Yeah, there's lots of people here to network with. You may want to go check some of them out. Great meeting you.
Yeah, that's, don't overstay your welcome. Step number 4.
What was with that guy?
Oh my God. Oh, this is so bad. This is the worst thing. I can't believe. Oh, wait a second. Hold on. Oh yeah, step 5. Linger. You got this.
Yeah, we were talking for a little bit, but it didn't seem to really go anywhere. What are you doing?
I'm lingering.
Yeah, you are.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor here, and today I want to talk to you about how to not suck at networking. Now, I want you to become a master of networking and building rapport for your real estate business, or I guess any business for that matter, but let's be honest. Most of the time, networking sucks.
This sucks more than anything that has ever sucked before.
So think of this as your networking cheat sheet or your suck less at networking cheat sheet. All right, let's go through these 5 tips to become a better networker and build mutually beneficial relationships. All right, first and foremost, number 1 is research. All right, you got to figure out who's going to be at the event that you're planning on going to network at. This way, you can go locked and loaded and ready for those conversations. I mean, you got to know your talking points that you want to hit, and most importantly, what parts of conversations or topics that you just want to completely avoid. You want to be able to find common interests and break the ice and only talk about things that you know you're actually confident talking about. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to a networking event where people ramble. They go off on all these tangents, and by the time you're done, you're like looking around, you're like, I have no idea what just happened there. All right, so go in prepared. Number 2, eye contact. All right, keep eye contact with whoever you're actually talking to. That way they feel like you're present and that you're paying attention. No eye contact is just straight up rude. You seem completely uninterested in the conversation. I can't tell you how many times I'm a natural non-eye contact person. I stare off into the distance and I think while people are talking, but my wife is always like, hey, look eyes, because she feels that I'm actually being rude. So I had to work really hard at forcing myself to make eye contact. This way, people feel like they can actually trust you. But here's the thing. Too much eye contact is actually kind of creepy. Don't be that person at the networking event that doesn't blink. All right, so you want to find that healthy balance, and result is make people feel like you're present in the conversation. Which brings us to number 3, which is listen more than you talk. All right, listen. You got to be present in the conversation, listen, and then give insight on the conversation. We all know people who go to these events and they have an agenda, right? They've already modeled it all out in their head, and they're there on a mission, and they just talk right at you. And they may act like they're listening to you, but they're just thinking about their next move or how to, basically take back over the conversation. And if you're really listening to them, then you can find out what opportunities there are within the relationship. whether that's connecting somebody with the right person or offering your insight or your value to their business. This is what's going to lock in those major relationships and pay off in the long run. All right, number 4, don't overstay your welcome. All right, this is so important to remember. And what this basically means is don't force any conversations. Trust me on this. I've been that guy where I felt stuck in a conversation, so I try to, go off onto different topics, and I wasn't really confident about those topics, so I pretty much just start rambling, and before you know it, rapport is being broken, and I'm off on some weird tangent, and the person's creepily staring at me without blinking. We don't want to be that guy. So the key is leaving the conversation or the event on a high note. All right, this makes the person want to continue the relationship with you outside of the event, and they're always going to be kind of drawn to you and have that really good memory of the great conversations you guys had. So try to remember to always make a clean exit. Which brings us to the last point, which is number 5, linger. Now, I know this contradicts number 4, but just hear me out real quick. Say the event is over and the conversations have all ended, but you want to maintain a relationship with that person. How do we do it? Well, we can follow them on social media. We can write a follow-up email or send them a DM, and just let them know that you're grateful for the conversations that you had. Thank them for their time. Keep it brief, but remind them of where you guys met at and the biggest takeaways that you took out of the conversations you had with them. I'm telling you right now, when it comes to networking, follow-up is the key to taking that relationship to the next level. Those structured networking events are great, but the real magic happens outside of the networking events. All right, you guys tell me, what do you think of these networking tips? Did I miss any? Tell me what I missed in the comment section below. Also, like, or if you didn't like this video, dislike the video. Be honest with me and make sure you subscribe if you want to see more of my insight that I teach to my students, all right? This is just the tip of the iceberg. I go deep in my training courses on these topics. I go deep when I'm working with my mentoring students or if I ever throw an event. This is how passionate I am about this topic and how important it is to your real estate investing success. All right, that's all I have right now. Thank you for watching. I'm Cody Sperber, the Clever Investor, signing off for now. Take care, comb your hair. Till next time, Sperber out.
Yeah. How do you know all this?
How's Bill?
Bill,
Your dad.
my dad.
Dad, yeah.
He's great. Have we met?
Well, I don't even know what to say. I don't even know. You want to try again? Hey, listen, while you're here, why don't you click the tab in the upper right-hand corner and grab my new book, How to Flip Houses with Little to No Money Down. It's a step-by-step guide on how I got wealthy in real estate and how you can too. Hope it helps. Oh, don't forget to watch the 2 videos also.